Might as well get this GoPro out. I'm pulling into Grove Harbor Marina. This is in Miami. For those of you who don't know the area, it's Coconut Grove. And today I gotta move the boat to the fuel dock, top it off, because on Monday we're heading to the Exumas. Let's see how good I do on vlogging today. This is my favorite part of walking into work. It's just this little strip right here. It's real peaceful. Beautiful day in Miami. Check out the beast. This thing's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Calm waters. Oh man, I'd love to be on the Checkmate right now. Just up on the drain plug. Just gorgeous morning. I like this thing too. One of my two favorite boats on the dock. I see this thing every day and I really like it. I think it's perfect. Yeah, we gotta move Kiyomizu, which is the 90-foot RIVA I work on, to the fuel dock. I got the TV on. Let's go. Nice. It's pretty cool. Stepped on here with their damn shoes. Alright, thanks, guy. This was heavy. So I'm gonna start getting ready to start up the generators and stuff. Take off the shore power. Close that door. This is the wheelhouse. It's kind of dark. But yeah, let's just vlog today. Why not? Guys are here. Hey.
Morning, Louis.
Morning, Louis.
Francisco.
Francisco.
How are you?
What's up, homie?
What's up, man? Nice to see you again.
What's going on, big man?
Good.
Living the dream?
Yeah, man. Every day.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah, right? Yeah. No, I still have a lot of detail work. I'm gonna spend some time.
Yeah, but you can tell it's taken care of.
Yeah, man. I mean, I don't like slacking off because then it just crumbles up on you.
It's easier to keep it like this and just do little work every time than to do a big project.
Like, just spend a few hours here, spend a few hours there, relax, you know.
To just you on the boat?
Yeah.
Should we move it now?
Yeah, I was gonna start getting the generator started up and taking off the shore power and doing all that now. So
yeah, we can leave the here.
Yeah. There's.
What do you?
Is she recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. So I got a temp captain. My normal captain, Dan, he's out on leave. So we got a temp captain that's very familiar with the boats. the fuck are the lights out? Down. I'm not sure why the lights are off. I'm turning on the generators. I'm just gonna swap everything to the generators now. Once they warm up, obviously. I turned on the blowers, the engine blowers. Hey Francisco.
Take it over that.
Francisco.
And then come back.
How familiar are you with the boat?
Very.
Okay, show me how to turn on the lights on there. Thank you.
I could have shown you that one.
Alright.
Right there.
I'm like turning. I'm like, what the fuck?
But
is
it makes sense because if you're coming in, you turn them on.
It does.
And then when you're leaving, you just.
Alright, you can come forward.
Yeah, this one. There, you'll see why when we come back.
Alright, you're clear.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Yeah. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, you got water out the field. It's just, yeah. I'll take that out now. Yeah, right there.
you open the other one?
Yeah.
Those stupid C-clips,
I hate them.
they rust.
Yeah. I know we have one laying around. There we go. Just finished cleaning the C strainer for the AC compressors, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. Sorry, I'm just, when it comes to recording and working, it's like I can't be holding the camera, like I gotta work. We're gonna be heading out to Nassau, Lyford Key on Tuesday. Then we're gonna go to Emerald Key. Is it called? I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but Emerald Key on Thursday. Picking up the guests on Friday. Heading down to the Crooked Islands on Friday. And actually no, we're gonna go to Georgetown. We're gonna be in Georgetown for a week, and then maybe heading down to the Crooked Islands and do some fishing. So yeah, that's the plan.